project, which is under construction now in the city of Melrose, Massachusetts, is an example of a successful urban renewal undergoing a creative transformation for the use of the site and the structures on it, creating a real estate product that is highly desirable in the current market. The original site of roughly 17,000 square feet had one small deteriorated 1910 single-family house on the east side of the lot. Overgrown vegetation covered the rest of the lot. The potential was there, but many challenges prevented others from bringing it to life. We managed to overcome these challenges from difficult site conditions, neighborhood pushback, and complicated permitting, and are now building this modern multifamily property, which is going to offer 4 beautiful, desirable townhouse units, each over 3,000 square feet. The goal of the project was to capture the value in this prime location by raising the density on the site. Because the city of Melrose had a great need for additional housing units, and their zoning allows the change of use from single family to multifamily with a special permit, this became feasible. The permitting process included various zoning and planning public hearings to change the use of the site to multifamily and assess the size and layout of the building. It also included a design review process to examine the materials, the street-facing facade, exterior lighting, and other exterior design features. We engaged with the local community, neighbors, and abutters in various meetings to address their concerns regarding the high water table, the size of the proposed building, and how it affects the privacy of their properties, and the landscaping on the site. The design team worked to design a solution to resolve the flooding that occurs occasionally due to high water table in the area. We shrank the building and moved it farther away from the setbacks. We also lowered some of the roofs and positioned landscaping elements to enhance yard and window privacy and make sure it works well with all the properties around it. While we worked within the site and neighborhood limitations, we thrived to achieve 4 large townhouse units that are essentially attached single-family homes, each with 2-car garage, private yard space, and all the amenities that would be included in any new construction single-family homes, such as modern open floor plan for the living, dining, kitchen spaces, a first-floor guest suite, a spacious master suite with cathedral ceilings, additional 3 bedrooms in the 2nd floor and an office in the basement, large family space in the basement, and additional finished space in the attics. Double height volumes in the dining and entry areas create connections between the floors, and 9-foot ceilings ensure comfortable and inviting living spaces throughout. In addition to the modern layouts and the high-end finishes, the building will be equipped with a fire suppression system, will be solar panel ready, and provide EV chargers for each car in the garage. Each unit will have its own efficient heating and cooling system and tight insulation to the new energy codes. Let's talk about some of the design aspects. The zoning allowed for 4 attached units, so we had to find a way to make them connected, but end up with a structure that is not too bulky or massive. We explored different roof configurations and settled on hip roofs for the main houses and lower gables with shed dormers for the middle bays. This helped to cut the big mass into smaller connected portions, differentiate the main houses from the garage bays with the master suites above them, and make it more appealing towards the immediate abutting properties. In addition, we changed the styles of the dormers and the exterior siding colors of these different portions of the building. The irregular shape of the lot added another complexity to the design. The geometry of the building had to be arranged to accommodate the chamfered northeast corner of the lot, in floor plans as well as in the intersections of roof components. To maximize private green space, the building is arranged around a shared driveway, like a courtyard building, leaving yard space for each unit. All the main entry porches face the front street. The entries are designed to look traditional and match the existing neighborhood fabric. The dormers facing the front are gable dormers. The ones facing the sides and the courtyard are all shed dormers. We limited the exterior lighting on the facades facing the neighbors to downlights only. Facing the courtyard above the garage doors, we will have exterior up and down light that will not only light the garage entrances, but will create a rhythmic pattern on the facades as a design feature. Many discussions involved landscaping in order to address the concerns and the wishes of the abutters. Since we had to remove the existing trees on site, we proposed to plant new large trees on the back, several decorative flowering trees facing the street, and privacy landscaping located strategically on the sides to shield the patios and neighbors' yards. This quick animation shows the proposed structure from all sides to get a feel for the mass and the shape. While it is long on the side and the rear facades, each of these elevations is broken down into 3 building parts to make it feel less bulky. The difference in roof heights and the dormers help to break down the structure into a scale that matches the single-family and two-family houses that are around it. The driveway leading into the site is enclosed by the garage and unit entrances, making it feel more like a courtyard than just a driveway. We believe this project, when completed, will be a beautiful addition to the Melrose community. It sits well on the street, facing a large public space, and fits within its neighboring surroundings. It will provide the city of Melrose with 4 attached single-family units with the benefits of a condominium, and will be highly desirable in an already competitive market.